Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video to announce the winner of this thing here. Now this is the Insta360 Go that I looked at about a week and a bit ago. I got it in because I was interested to put it on some really lightweight models, and although it's got an FPV mode, the limitation of only relatively low frame rates and 5 minutes of recording meant that unfortunately for the way that I fly and enjoy the hobby, this wasn't a great fit, so it needed to find a new home. So for those of you that spotted it, there was a giveaway towards the end. So let me jump onto the computer and pull the names out of the hat using the random comment picker. So this was the video. Let's just scrub through and I'll show you what the camera looks like again, remind you. That's what it kind of looks like. Stabilization is done in post. And if you stayed with it right to the end, then there it is. Like, comment, subscribe. And you had to include the words Insta360 rocks. So let's copy and paste that into the random comment picker. Let's filter duplicate users. Let's filter based on that specific text, which is Insta360 rocks. Insta360 rocks, and then get the YouTube comments. Oh, only 160. I'm guessing not everybody realized that it was a giveaway. How many did we have? Oh, 218. Okay, so if you did follow the instructions, you're in with a very good chance of winning. So the winner of the Insta360 Go is Win Davis. Win, congratulations. I think you won something in the Christmas giveaway as well, didn't you? Okay, you're having a very good run of luck, Win. I think if you want to do your lottery ticket, now's the time to fill it in. Congratulations. Win, pop me an email to lee@painless360.com with your address details and I'll get this out to you. I think I've still got them on file somewhere, but just confirm them and I'll get it out to you. Commiserations to everyone that didn't win, but do stay tuned. There are going to be more giveaways. In fact, thinking about it, there's a giveaway running right now if you hadn't already spotted it. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.